If your team finds 100 ways to improve operations this year, only 50 will actually land. Retail leaders call it the realization factor. Half the plan gone. And the plan is not what is broken. If your team finds 100 ways to improve operations this year, only 50 will actually land. Retail leaders call it the realization factor. Half the plan gone. And the plan is not what is broken. Here is the part most BI vendors will not tell you. The data is there. The reports are there. What is missing is the layer that reads them. Every week. At scale. Against the standard. Dashboards show what happened. They do not tell you what it means or what to do next. That kind of judgment, the kind a 28-year veteran brings when they glance at a store's numbers, lives in a few senior heads. It does not scale. And the gap between thousands of data points and the few that actually matter is exactly where the drift lives. This is the gap domain intelligence was built to close. Scoop sits with your best operators. We watch how they read the data, what they check first, what thresholds matter, what patterns they act on. Then we encode that judgment into a system that runs across every location, every week. We worked with a national chain with over 1,000 stores. Their senior managers had decades of pattern recognition that had never been written down. We captured it. Now every store gets what one operator called a predefined radar. The store leader walks in already knowing what is on track, what is drifting, and what needs a closer look. No pulling 50 reports to find out. The dashboard still exists. The strategy still belongs to your leaders. Domain intelligence is the layer in between, the one that makes sure nothing important slips through. When the drift stops, 3 things shift. The COO spends time on decisions, not on reconstructing what happened. The store manager gets a short list of what matters this week, instead of a dashboard to interpret. The analyst team stops drowning in what happened requests and starts working on so what and now what. People worry that AI and analytics will replace the analyst. The opposite happens. Domain intelligence handles the volume. Your people handle the judgment. You do not lose your analysts. You multiply them. So here's the question worth sitting with. If your operating standards actually held, week to week, across every store, what would your business look like? How much of the opportunity you have already identified would actually land? The plan is rarely what is broken in retail. The drift is. Closing it is what unlocks the rest.
Losing hours on data analysis? Scoop investigates for you and provides answers in 45 seconds. Don't know why revenue dropped? Scoop tests multiple hypotheses and finds the root cause in under a minute. Scoop Analytics is your AI data scientist.